Hey everyone, it's Matt here. Welcome back to another episode of Savant's Tech Talk. Now you might know that data science is a very exciting career. You might understand that it's high in demand and even sexy. Data science is a profession which has attracted a lot of mystery about what it really is and what the daily tasks and achievements are. Then there are roles like data analyst and data engineer, which are often confused with what data scientists do. But let me assure you, they are quite different. Today, I'm going to cover what exactly data science is, what data scientists do, and what skills are needed to become a successful data scientist. As always, if you have any questions as you watch this video, feel free to leave them in the comments down below. If you enjoy this video or find it helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. So let's jump into it. There is so much data being constantly collected for businesses to perform better. Nonetheless, gathering data is only the first step. The data is useless until we do something with it. And this is where data science comes in. So what is data science? Data science is the art of taking data and transforming it into insightful information, which enables us to use it to achieve desired results. It's an interdisciplinary field which takes from statistics, probability, computer science, and analytics. As data becomes more readily available, data science gets applied in more and more aspects of business. Four fields that make for the fundamental areas of knowledge to be successful in data science are communication, mathematics, business, and computer science. These are the primary fields that you need to have a study background in or experience in. Nonetheless, there's hardly anyone who's an expert in all four. A data scientist would typically do this through their business domain expertise, effective communication, results analysis by using different programming languages, software packages, data infrastructure, and statistical techniques. Now let's understand what data scientists do and the goals and deliverables of a data scientist. Here's a list of the activities done by data scientists to achieve their final goal. They predict based on all the inputs. They classify data into spam or not spam categories. They make recommendations, so imagine Netflix. They detect patterns and groups, anomaly detection, recognition of text, facial, and image, etc., actionable insights from dashboards or reports, decision making, scoring, and ranking like FICO score, segmenting, optimization for risk management, and finally forecasts of sales and returns. Each step acknowledges a goal or solves a problem to reach the ideal result. So what skills are needed to become a successful data scientist? Well, the first thing you're going to need is programming knowledge. Coding is used when it comes to analyzing and processing data, so programming competence is crucial in at least one such language. You're also going to need to be creative and fast. It's required that a data scientist be creative in their approach to look at the problems in a new light, since they need to design algorithms that are fast and efficient. Their role is not only revolves around why it should be done, but also how it should be done. As a data scientist, you're also going to need to be curious. Always be ready to explore a new angle. Curiosity leads data scientists to seek interesting patterns in large sets of information. You're also going to need to be adequate in math. Since a major part of the job is to churn out raw data, the ability to deal with numbers is a must. You're also going to need to be decisive. Working day in and day out with data and information can get tiring and frustrating. Your decision needs to be firm to take the ordeals of this career and to also reap the benefits of it. Other skills like having analytical ability, good attention to detail, and having sharp focus always helps data scientists to succeed in their career. This industry requires constant probabilistic thinking and how it is applied in day-to-day decisions. If you find yourself doing calculations, analyzing human behavior and choices that you have to make on a daily basis, then the probability of this career choice being right for you is very high. Your job would be to discover exciting and interesting information. So there we have it. We've covered what data science is, what data scientists do, and what skills are needed to become a successful data scientist. As always, if you still have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments down below. Once again, if you enjoyed this video or find it helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to this channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.